In this video, we will be starting a new drawing and synchronize the Civil 3D interface with my interface and your interface, and making both our interface identical so that you will not be getting much problems while working with the Civil 3D videos. So before that, I have sent you an email regarding the data we need to use in this Civil 3D lecture series. So you may have received something like this: CE760 Civil 3D. It is a RAR file, or other words a zip file. First you need to copy this to a place where you can easily access. I have copied mine to the desktop. Then you have to extract this using something like extract here. So you will be having this folder after extracting. Then you have to open the Civil 3D software, the metric version. If you have already done that, you don't need to open it again. You just go into the Civil 3D version. Now I am going to open a new drawing using a template. So a template means a drawing where all the standards and settings are stored to do our drawing. So in your company, if you are working in a company, they may have a Civil 3D template where you can use for your Civil 3D works. So various companies have various drawing templates to do with their Civil 3D work. So now I am going to start a new drawing with a new template. So what you have to do now is you go to the application menu browser, you click here and then go to new. Then I want you to browse to the file where I gave you, that is the CE3760 Civil 3D data folder. So that is in my desktop. I am moving here and I go into the template CE760 Civil 3D folder. So inside that you have data folder. In that data folder you have something called new road template. It is a file called new road template. So you have to open that file. So every time you start a new drawing, you have to use a new template file. You can use existing template file. Anyway, you have to use a template file. So I have opened this drawing too with the new road template file. So I will close this drawing 1. I click this cross sign and go to save changes. So there is nothing will be saved. Now my drawing 2 is opened. It is open using the new road template. Now what I am going to do is I am creating some settings, or I am making some settings so that my Civil 3D interface and your Civil 3D interface become identical. So here what I want is, I want to press your shift key on your keyboard, then right click your mouse button, right click the mouse button, shift key plus right click, then you got snap settings, click here, then you will get something like this. You then uncheck this option, snap on, uncheck this one, then snap tracking, this one also uncheck, then you move on to this snap and grid, should be unchecked, polar tracking should be unchecked, object snap you already unchecked, it is okay to have these things checked, but main thing is to uncheck these two things. In 3D objects map, make sure it is also unchecked. Dynamic input, make sure this one is okay to have, but there's another settings to be changed. I will tell you next. So after setting all those things, you click OK. Now you just type some commands. You put your mouse cursor here somewhere in the middle, then you type some commands. So if your commands are typing on the command bar, that means your dynamic inputs are turned off. So to ensure that, or to change the dynamic input mode, you have to press F12 on your keyboard. So the modern laptops, you have to find F12 key by pressing function or Fn key plus F12. So make sure that what kind of keys are to be pressed to get the F12 key on your keyboard. In my laptop, I have to press function key plus F12. So in your laptop or computer, just make sure what are the keys to type to get the F12 function. So what I am going to do is I am pressing F12 on my keyboard. So nothing will be happen, but when you type, you will see the typing is happening where the cursor is there. So if you press F12 again, you will see the typing is happening on the command bar. So I want the typing to be happen on the command bar. That means your F12 should be turned off, or the dynamic inputs should be turned off. Now that is the main options what we have to be set to synchronize my screen with your screen in terms of Civil 3D. So you don't have to save the drawing in this moment, but keep the drawing open. In the next video, I will tell you how to start a project with Civil 3D for design.